getting there. Just casting it to 30 feet. Come up to 30 feet. Oh, the bird working. Bird working. Eat it. Oh shit, he did. I hate this. Dude, where you going? You're not going very far. Got a flying bird. Dude, this is a good video. Flying fish. I just land back in the water spaz. Forget. Knucklehead. I want my bait back. It's like a $20 bait. No, you're not going to be happy. Try the foot this time. Maces. Yeah, you're going to. You're going to bite my ass. I know you are. I know, it's a fucking bitch, dude. Life's a bitch. Life is a bitch, and then you get the net. If you stay still, I won't fucking drown you. Come on. Are you gagging up? Oh, they're perch. Dude, thanks for the bait info. Cool. Put your foot up here. Put your shit out of there. Stay still. Stay still. When you fish stripers on the Atlantic coast with topwater baits, that is a routine occurrence. And they're the big ones. Those are the little ones. The big black gulls are generally far less cooperative. And I've been poked and bit a few times. Tell you what, the flying bird around the boat makes some good video. The flying bird went on the boat. Topwater bait. Yeah, he gacked up some perch. Those must have been perch out there. I don't care though, because that's not what we're doing.